In this video, I am down in a hayfield near Brookville, Ohio, with a farmer that is mowing first cutting hay. In the field running today is a New Holland 2450 windrower, swather, speedrower, whatever you want to call it, and this has a 13-foot wide head on it. The New Holland 2450 was in production from 1992 to approximately 1998. From the specifications I could find on the internet, looks like these were powered with a 4-cylinder Perkins diesel engine ranging anywhere in that 80 to 100 horsepower range. Other than that, I do not have a lot more information on this machine. I was hoping to make it back to this farm as he was baling this hay. That did not work out this time, but it will in the future. Most of this hay is going into small square bales where he sells it locally. And that is going to do it for this video. If you would, please go down there, hit that like button. Feel free to leave a comment. If you're new to my channel, I would appreciate if you would hit that subscribe button and check back often for new videos. I am always filming, editing, and uploading new content. You can also follow me along on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok at Farmhand Mike. As always, thank you for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.